Yes, we are to show that cos 2x equals to 2 cos squared s minus 1. So how do we solve this problem? And the first thing is that you have to look at the expression very well. Here is in cos, so everything is in terms of cos. So here we now recall trig identities, that cos a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So for cos 2x now, we can have it to be cos x plus x for 2x. So that would be cos x minus sine x sine x. So cos 2x now will be cos squared s, that is cos s times cos s, then minus sine squared s, sin s times sin s. So recall also from trig, recall that sine squared s plus cos squared s equals to 1. So for us now to replace this sin s, so we have to substitute here, that is sine squared s equals to 1 minus cos squared s. So put this expression into this place. So we have cos 2x equals to cos squared s minus bracket of 1 minus cos squared s. So open the bracket, cos 2x is equal to cos squared s minus 1 plus cos squared s. So cos 2x equal to this plus this 2 cos squared s minus 1. That's all.